be thinking about something other than what you're doing. Maybe your mind is on an upcoming test or on a friend's birthday party. Not only are your thoughts occupied, but you're in a hurry. This is when accidents often happen. Remember, slow down and carefully think about what you're doing. This will avoid more than half the accidents. A frequent accident is a minor but painful burn. Perhaps you burn the skin on your finger. A lot of people might tell you to put butter on it. This is a common remedy, except their advice is bad. Of course, they're just trying to help. Instead, the moment you burn, place your burn in ice water. Force yourself to keep it there for at least 10 minutes. Aside from the obvious effect the cold temperature has on stopping your burning, you're keeping oxygen from your injury. This is necessary to avoid a blister. Ice water is the single best treatment for slight burns. Write about an accidental injury you've had. How could it have been avoided? Good luck. And in your rush to get this test done, don't injure yourself, please.